Hi, I'm Ronald Zimmerman and I'm the owner of Ethos Restaurant and Lounge, and currently we are here at Ethos in beautiful Kalim Beach, Phuket, Thailand. So what is the meaning of ethos? Ethos, or original in Greek ethos, is standing for character, spirit, beliefs of a group of people. Here at Ethos we believe in the power of food and taste to influence emotions, behaviors and even morals. What kind of food we serve here at Ethos? Together with famous executive chef Woody, we serve Mediterranean food, seafood and European classics. At Ethos we try as much as we can to work with local organic products fresh from the local market. So what makes Ethos different than other restaurants? At Ethos we have an absolute top view over Patong Bay, while all the food is carefully selected and prepared in our clean showcase kitchen. We are the only restaurant around the island with a charcoal grill, and at Ethos we also have over 300 different wines to choose from. So I invite you to come have a look and taste the new experience.
Welcome to etho Restaurant.